Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I'm getting my girls for Easter, and this is going to give you some Easter basket gift ideas or do-it-yourself Easter basket ideas. I always make my own Easter baskets for the girls. That's the way my mom did it as we grew up, so I just continued on the tradition. So I hope you get some ideas from this video. So if you are a subscriber of mine from last year, you are probably already familiar with these Easter baskets. I actually used these last year. I'm super proud of myself because I actually buy new Easter baskets every year, but this year I'm using the same ones. If you want to see what I got the girls last year for Easter, I'll leave that link down below for that video. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you guys everything I got to fill these things up. Okay, so the first thing I got was this Simply Southern lunchbox for Aubrey. She's been needing a new lunchbox. I got Ansley one for Christmas, and I know it's really close to the end of the year, but that's okay. She can probably use this next year because she'll only have it for about a month, and it was $14.99, and I think it's super, super cute. I would actually even carry this as well. I love the pattern on it, so I really hope she likes it. And then when I was at the Dollar Tree, I found these pineapple ceramic trays. Only $1, and they're like iridescent looking, and they love these little things just to keep earrings in, or rings, or necklaces. So I thought they were cute for the summer, cute decor for their room. Of course, I got a couple packs of eggs. I usually don't put candy in these or anything, but I might this year. I don't know. I think what I'm gonna do is the same thing I normally do, is I will have these eggs coming out from their bedroom, and I'll lead them to the Easter baskets on Easter morning. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with these. And I don't know if you can tell in the video, but they're like really pastel colors. So I thought that would be perfect to go with pretty much everything that I got them. And then when I was in Hobby Lobby the other day, I found these cute little tumblers. One has pizza, one has cactuses. I'll probably do the pizza one for Ansley and the cactus for Aubrey. She kind of is into cactuses right now. They were $9.99 each, but they were 40% off because Hobby Lobby had all of their spring shop stuff 40% off. So I went ahead and picked these up to go in their baskets. If you guys know me, you're probably thinking, girl, where are you gonna put those cups in your house? Because y'all know I'm obsessed. And then I just got some grass to go in their basket, just some white and shimmery. And then I found this at Walmart. One of my YouTube buddies, Mandy, told me about this, and I figured I would get this for Aubrey. And I almost picked myself one up, but I didn't. And I really, really like this. They have these at Anthropologie, and they are around, I want to say they're like $37. They may be a little bit more expensive than that, I don't know. But this was actually $4.92 at Walmart. So I thought that Aubrey would really like that. And then I found this. It says Tropical State of Mind, and it will match Ansley's room perfectly. I found this at the Dollar Tree just to hang on her closet as some decor. And then of course I got a few things of candy here and there, not as much as usual, but Aubrey loves Whoppers, so I picked her up some Whoppers. I'm gonna split these Three Musketeers birthday cake minis up between the girls. Also, if you're wondering what these taste like, in my opinion, they don't taste like birthday cake at all. And then I picked up some of these Russell Stover strawberry cream white fudge. I'm not really sure what they are, but they are really good. I've had them before, and I'm probably gonna steal one before I give them to them. And then also some more Simply Southern. I picked these up. You just put your cell phone in them, and I thought these would be really cute for the girls. One has the flowers and one has the turtle print. I'm not sure which one goes to which girl yet. So you guys let me know down in the comments. My youngest daughter is about to be 7, and my oldest daughter is 11. She'll be 12 in November. So let me know which one would you give to which daughter, which print, because I do not know. Okay, and it's the same situation for these pop sockets. They are both Simply Southern pop sockets. It says pop it like it's hot. One is a seahorse, and then the other one just has this little print on it. And like I said, I don't know which one is going to which girl, which daughter, but you guys let me know what you would do. And then of course, can't have Easter with little girls without having some bath bombs. I actually got these from Walmart. One is Unicorn Dreams, which of course is gonna go to Ansley, and the other is Beach Vacay, and they actually both have a prize inside. I have no idea what the prize is at all, but I figured that would be interesting. And then I recently went to Tennessee to visit one of my girlfriends from here on YouTube, Jessica, and the girls absolutely loved these Starburst Favorite Red jelly beans. Ansley pretty much tried to steal their whole bag while we were there. So I got both the girls a big bag of these, and they'll probably end up not eating them all because that's what happens. But I did this just in case. So, and Alex likes sweets and stuff like that too. I could probably only eat 2 jelly beans out of these whole bags. I'm more of like a salty snack eater. Then I picked up some pixie sticks. I love these myself. Just some of these little candy bracelets. I also got some bubblegum eggs. I think I picked these up from Target. They are the Smarty bubblegum eggs. And then I also picked up these 2 lights from Hobby Lobby. One's a cactus, one's a flamingo, and they were in the summer shop, and they were $3.99 each. I think they actually might have been 40% off as well, so I picked those up for the girls. Just some more decor for their bedroom. Then nerd ropes. Alex is gonna kill me. He says they get nerds all over the floor, which he's right, but that's what the vacuum's for, Alex. He doesn't watch my videos, so he'll never see this, but he'll see that Easter morning. And then I found these little flip-flops for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and picked them up for Ansley. I actually wanted to get both the girls a pair of flip-flops, but they didn't really have any good ones anywhere that I went. So I picked these up for Ansley, and then I'll find Aubrey some more later because she needs another pair as well. And then I always like to get the girls a couple of outfits for Easter, and honestly, if you saw my spring haul video, I'll actually leave that down in the comments below, or in the description below too, where you can watch that video. I was gonna give all those clothes to the girls for Easter, but really I just could not wait. They needed new clothes. So I went ahead and just gave it to them, but I did still pick up a few things. I got these outfits from Walmart. So we've got the blue and then the black. These are for Aubrey. They're kind of like workout attire, and I think they'll be perfect because the girls just started tumbling, so those will be perfect for them. And then I got Ansley this shirt. I got this from Walmart. It was $4.94. It says party like it's my birthday, and that's because her birthday is in less than a month. So I actually decided that I would go ahead and pick this up for her so she could wear this to school on her birthday. I don't even know if her birthday is on a school day, but she can still wear it regardless. And then Aubrey is experimenting a little bit with makeup, so I decided to go ahead and pick her up this mascara. It is the Mega Protein Mascara by Wet n Wild. It wasn't too expensive. I think it was like $1.98. So I grabbed that for her because she's pretty much had all hand-me-down makeup from me for the most part. So I got her own mascara there. And then I also got Ansley a couple outfits from Walmart as well. I got her the same blue one as Aubrey, just some workout attire. They can wear these to the gym when they go to tumbling. These outfits were $9.98, and trust me, they will not wear them the same day, or Aubrey will make sure they don't wear them the same day. Ansley probably wouldn't mind matching her sister at all, but you know how it is when you get older, you don't want to match your little sister. And then last but not least, for Ansley, I grabbed this pair of shorts from Walmart, and it was $4.44 for these. These are super cute. And then this Good Vibes shirt, and it's just like a little outfit. And this shirt was $4.44, so like a total of $8.88 for this whole outfit. You cannot beat that. So I think I did pretty good. Now there are a couple other things I want to get the girls. Aubrey needs a new mouse for her laptop, so I do want to order her that. I'll probably order that on Amazon. And then Ansley needs a pair of headphones because her headphones have been broke for a while. So that's probably the only other things I'll be getting them, unless I find some more sandals for Aubrey. So yeah, that is what I got my girls for Easter. I hope it gave you some really good Easter basket ideas. And if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. I know this was kind of late and Easter is just right around the corner, but if you procrastinate like I do, it's probably right on time. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you are new. Hit the notification bell so you're reminded every time I upload a video. I upload 3 times a week on Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And then also don't forget to watch last year's What's in My Kids Easter Basket down below. That can also give you some ideas. They were a little bit younger last year, so if you have younger kids, that might help you a little bit more. And I will see you guys in my next video.